Today we're gonna see how we can open Outlook in safe mode. We use this way to troubleshoot our Outlook once we are having an issue with our Outlook and the issue is not specified, or there is no log message show us what's exactly the issue we're facing. The best practice is to open Outlook in safe mode and then you troubleshoot it. So in order to do this, we will just press on window key and R, and then we'll type Outlook space and then /safe. Once we hit enter, our Outlook will open in safe mode. We will just select our folder or profile name, and now our Outlook is open in safe mode. You can see that clearly on top of Outlook, Microsoft Outlook safe. It means that we are just open our Outlook in safe mode.